Hi, I'm Ilhan Mohammed, and I was in Women in ICT Repair and Maintenance course by NTECH. Before joining the program, I had just finished high school and got to join Technical University of Mombasa to do computer science. Before joining the course, I was interested in repair and maintenance. So once I found this course, I knew that it was the right fit for me. Well, the fact that it was a conducive environment for us, our trainers were all female and they were nice and understanding. Even though we were beginners, they were patient with us. I'm the co-founder of girls community called the Big and Bold Sister Talks, whereby we teach girls in our community skills on digital skills and repair and maintenance skills. Currently, we have 15 members since we have just started the program, and we hope to get more. This course made me realize my passion in robotics. In turn, I was able to get employment opportunities at NTECH Africa as a software developer and a robotics trainer. Lastly, I would like to thank the team at Boost Your Learning and NTECH for such an amazing